Hi everyone, bonjour, bonsoir. So in this video we're doing a very fun lock transformation. And it's really just a lock combination, but it was supposed to be a transformation, but we figured that this would be the best way to give our client what he wanted. So basically he starts off with his locks as they are and talking to him and understanding what his goals are, we decided to just double them up. So we're doubling, he wanted his locks thicker, so we're gonna thicken them, but it's actually easier to just double them up, and then we're gonna go ahead and combine them seamlessly. Now what I'm doing here is I'm reparting to accommodate for doubling the locks up. So just putting two locks together, you know, the parts make it a little wonky, so we go ahead and we redo his parts to where it looks seamless. And once I'm done redoing his parts, what we're going to go through and do is we're going to now prep his locks for the combination. He also had some repairs that we did during the appointment, but this was a pretty big job that I could not do on my own, so I called in reinforcement. We have Rebecca, we have Monica, 3 hands on deck, and we got this done, I believe, in 7 hours. I'll have to double check that, but I believe it was 7 hours that we got this done because it was a team effort. So I did fact check, and he started with 76 locks, around 76 locks, and then we combined them to be 38 locks. And it took about 8 hours from start to finish. This includes the wash, the retwist, and dryer time. But the combination itself took us about 5.5 to 6 hours. And as you guys can see, once his hair was prepped, we were crocheting for our lives, and we did not add any extra hair. We did not add any of our Afro bulk hair. This is all his natural hair. He had so much hair, so much beautiful hair. So it was a pleasure to do this combination. It was a labor of love because ooh, it was some work, but look at the finished product. Like, that's amazing. So it was well worth it. So as you guys can see, I gave him somewhat of a C-shape parting for his new parts, and yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yes, this can be done on most people as long as your hair is healthy and not breaking apart and disintegrating already, then it can be done. And he had a healthy head of locks, so he was a perfect candidate. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out our website, our Etsy. Check out the description box. Everything is there. How to book us. And please remember, you do need the consultation when you are wanting to book with us. If the consultation is not your thing, you're allergic to it, please find someone who doesn't require that. But we do require that, and it's going to remain that way. So yeah, just keep that in mind and stay tuned for more, guys. Thank you guys so much.